This one's special because this one might not be for the toe. This is definitely going in a case. Welcome back to the channel, guys, and if you're new to the channel, also welcome to the channel, guys. That's right, today I'm reviewing the actual Nike Tiempo Ronaldinho Touch of Gold. This sneaker is absolutely iconic. This is a limited edition run. This belongs behind a glass case because this is an absolutely beautiful, magnificent sneaker that belongs to an absolute legend, and I regard Ronaldinho as one of the GOATs of the game. But before we look at the sneaker, please do like, follow, subscribe, comment, chat to me. Let's have a conversation. Let's break it down like we always do. And please do check out the Shoe Dog podcast with me and the bro 808 Kicks ATL. Go follow the bro at 808 Kicks _ ATL. Go and show him some love and support because he always comes to show the channel love and support. And also, guys, go and check out the Shoe Dog podcast. We talk about sneaker drama, sneaker news, sneaker bad behavior, because we always take that to sneaker court or public opinion. And also, guys, keep doing amazing things that you guys keep doing, to keep elevating, to keep growing, to keep being amazing, because I want you to win. You guys need to keep being amazing. You guys need to keep growing. You guys need to keep being awesome, guys, because when we talk about awesome sneakers, when we talk about absolute legends, this Ronaldinho Tiempo Touch of Gold, the indoor variation of that sneaker, is absolutely iconic. As you can see from the B-roll, guys, we're looking at Nike Tiempo Touch of Gold Ronaldinho sneaker, the sneaker which basically pays homage to the 2015 and 2021 Lux range which Ronaldinho came out with, and it is just an absolutely beautiful sneaker. If you don't know about Ronaldinho, go and check out Ronaldinho. I first actually saw Ronaldinho burst into the scene against England in the semi-finals when he lobbed Seaman, and that was crazy. It kind of hurt me because I'm an England fan, but it is an absolutely beautiful, beautiful touch of gold to the sneaker as well. Touch of gold to actually elevate what Ronaldinho was as a player. And if you don't know Ronaldinho, go and check him out. Go and check out the highlights. Go and check out the footage, because if you don't know about Ronaldinho, he actually played in Barcelona, was absolutely amazing. He actually did Barcelona in the final in the Champions League. And also, guys, also if you didn't know, he actually mentored Messi. He was the GOAT's GOAT. He actually mentored Messi, and then he stepped aside to let Messi shine. I have so much respect for Ronaldinho. Absolutely amazing player, and this sneaker pays tribute to everything that Ronaldinho is, and I needed this in my rotation. I needed this in my collection. I needed this behind the case to showcase the magnificence of this sneaker, because this is probably one of the most premium sneakers I've touched in a while. And when we talk about sneakers and when we talk about absolutely amazing quality, this is the one. But before we look at the sneaker, let's take a look at the box, because hey, presto shabang, that's what the box looks like. That's how it is, that's how it should come. And you could already see that Ronaldinho 10 on the box. On the side of the box, you've got the actual gold hole there, his rim is there, and then you got the box label, and then on the other side you got the Nike footballing swoosh on this. This is a footballing sneaker. For the guys in the States, this is a soccer sneaker. This is an indoor variation. It's not cleated. This is another sneaker that actually came out with a cleated pack as well, because you can get the cleated variation. And then you got the 10R on the back there as well, and you got the swoosh there on the side there as well. Absolutely dope. Affiliated writing on the side as well. And then inside, I like what they did with this box as well. When you open this up, guys, you can see that Ronaldinho on the bottom there as well, and then the tissue paper has just got 10R and Ronaldinho 10 on this. Absolutely dope, absolutely epic. There's nothing else in this box. It is kind of a smaller box because it's a low, and it kind of just is an indooring box as well. So basically indooring sneaker box as well. So it's small and unique to just kind of not be as big as any other boxes. Affiliated writing, and the box label reads Tiempo Legend RGNICSE. SE means special edition, and this is a 11 US UK 10. I'm gonna definitely always get my size because I might even wear these. depends. And this is a 12.5 for the women's. The code is IF4389100. I'm not going to put these on feet at this moment in time because I want to put these behind this case. I want to put these behind this shelf. This is a collectible to me. This means a lot to me in terms of the football player, and this means a lot to me in terms of what this represents. This is an absolutely epic sneaker, and this belongs to an absolute actual GOAT of the game. And I'm just going to say, this is beautiful. Now we've taken a look at the box, let's take a look at these beautiful sneakers. It's sneaker time, so hey presto shabang, and as you can see, this is the Ronaldinho Nike Tiempo Touch of Gold, and you can see why it's called the Touch of Gold. This sneaker basically originates from 2005, comes into 2015 and touches into 2025. And when we talk about, this is a limited edition, this kind of is retailing for 120 and it kind of disappeared and is reselling for like 100, 240 I think at the moment. I was going to say 190, 240, between 190 and 240, but it's not about the value, it's about what this sneaker means, because this sneaker is absolutely delicious and nutritious. Guys, look at the quality on the leather, look at the cross stitch hatch on the toe. This is so good, so magnificent in my personal opinion. The swoosh is gold through reflective, it almost shines through, you can see your face in it, almost see your face in it. And then on the other side you got another gold swoosh. I love the pin effect on the actual back of the actual heel there as well, absolutely dope. And you've got, when I talked about the actual dates of this sneaker, you got it on the side of it, which says you got the 2000, you got the 5, 15 and 25. It reads 05, 15 and 25. That represents the actual years this Tiempo kind of represents for the sneaker that released. Absolutely dope and absolutely beautiful. It's got cushioning, actual featuring on this, actual cushion midsole on this as well, and it's got a beautiful milky white outsole, and the traction on this is definitely for indoor. Don't wear this for the outdoors. There's a cleat variation of this Touch of Gold. If you want to wear it for the field, get the cleat variation. This is for the indoor variation. You can see that the traction on this is like a hexagon traction that kind of is suited to indoor footballing. That's what it looks like. That's how it should be for indoor in football. And if you know about indoor in football, Ronaldinho is massive for indoor in football as well. That scene is beautiful. And if you don't know about small soccer football, indoor in football, that is very crucial for skill play. That is very crucial for kind of tactical play. That's very crucial for ball control. That is where you build your skills, and this is why that is a big scene in Brazil and in South America. That is crucial. This is why this sneaker exists as well. You can see on the actual tongue, you've got the 10 on this as well, absolutely beautiful. And you can open this up and you can see that actual overlay on that lace, and that kind of white lace through, and the gold tips on this. The gold tips on this. Let me read this. Tiempo and Tiempo. Almost like a gold, wheat gold tips on the laces, which is absolutely gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. White laces, you don't get any other laces with this, and then you just tuck this in. I like that touch. It just wraps the laces, absolutely beautiful. Inside the insole, you got tissue paper. Remember, every sneaker comes with tissue paper, and I know you guys are gonna say, wear your sneakers are gonna just kind of fall apart, but this, I don't know, I'm not gonna wear them. This has got the actual sticky insole as well. I'm not gonna try and rip this out. You can see the sticky insole, and you can also see that Ronaldinho 10 on the actual insole as well there as well. Absolutely gorgeous. This sneaker is beautiful. The leather on this is crazy soft, crazy soft. I'm not gonna wear these. This is too gorgeous to wear, guys. This is just beautiful. Just the leather on this is soft. The cross stitch hatch on the toe is soft. I like the back there with the pin cushion. It's almost like a pin heel back heel there as well. It just looks absolutely gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. Just a beautifully perfected sneaker. And on the right hand side, that's the right side. On the left hand side, you've got a little touch that chain with the little, I don't think they're real diamonds, but there's just little shiny gems on there as well. That touch of gold, that is absolutely gorgeous. So guys, this was like an impulse buy, but not an impulse buy. I knew I was gonna get it, and then I got it, and that's pretty much it. All white, gold touch, cream outsole, Ronaldinho, absolutely gorgeous. Pays tribute to the Luxe range from 2015, 2021. It's a sneaker that came out in 2005, representing 2015, and then 2025 we got this back. Look at the stitching, gold stitching, absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know the Tiempo history intimately like that. I know it's his actual line, the Lux line, the touch of gold, Ronaldinho, absolute legend, absolute gold. Needed to have this in the rotation. Not for motto, just for the case. This is class. This is definitely absolutely Midas touch. That Midas touch is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, the sneaker. Love the stitching. It's just plush, absolutely plush. The actual white's more creamy on the sneaker rather than white, and it just gives this just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful looking hand. Yeah. This is one I'm definitely proud of. Definitely proud of cop. And then it's got a Tiempo on the back heel. There you go. Absolutely beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. But like we do on this channel, we're gonna give you the front perspective. We're gonna give you that booty action back perspective with that Tiempo on the back. That actual lateral side, I forgot. Look at the front. Absolutely beautiful. Bang. That medial side and a beautiful outside. Give me that 360-degree rotation. Make sure it's on your feet. Make sure you keep bringing the heat, and make sure you keep bringing the heat with all of that heat on the streets and on the courts and in the fields and indoor on the soccer range, guys. I'm gonna say soccer for the guys in the States, but I mean football for the guys in Europe and the UK. Gorgeous, gorgeous sneaker. And also, guys, you get, I forgot to mention, you get a dust bag, not dust bag, but a plastic bag where you can put your sneakers in, and it does have like a little mini pocket as well, which is great because you can put your laces or extra laces, your shin pads, all of that stuff. This is definitely a soccer sneaker. This is definitely a football sneaker. I'm gonna stop saying soccer for the guys in the UK and in Europe. A football sneaker for sure, guys. Ronaldinho 10, beautiful, gorgeous, amazing. And that was a review for the Touch of Gold Tiempo Ronaldinho indoor footballing sneaker. That is amazing. Sometimes you have to just get a collectible, and that's definitely one of those collectibles I'm gonna have showcased when I can, because that is an absolutely gorgeous sneaker. But thank you for tuning in. Thank you for always coming back. I'm not doing it on feet, not going on my feet, guys. Not this moment. If I do ever put it on my feet, I might do a revised video, or I might just put a reel out. But this was a review for the Nike Tiempo Ronaldinho Touch of Gold. Absolutely gorgeous, absolutely amazing. But for me, TJ, I love Custom Top. You have an amazing week, amazing month, and an amazing year. And you guys cop the sneakers you like, because you deserve to get the sneakers you want. For me, TJ, I love Custom. Peace out for now, guys, and peace.